Zen Labs was started in the year 2005 with a vision to provide easy accessibility of high-value medicines at a low cost to India's rural population. Today, the company offers a vast range of quality medicines at very affordable prices.
Our main focus was to concentrate on the Indian rural market. We wanted to provide medicines at affordable costs, quality medicines to the downtrodden people to whom medical facilities were not easily accessible.
Zen Labs was started by 4 entrepreneurs, Sanjay Dheer, Harpreet Singh Kalra, Sanjeev Singhal and Satish Singhal. They were masters of their own trade and were working in different departments of the pharma industry until they decided to join hands and start their own venture.
You call it a coincidence that all 4 were proficient in their own fields. Like myself, I was a marketing man. I had a rich marketing experience. Mr. Harpreet Singh, since he was well acquainted with the pharma fraternity, he had contacts with people in Dabur and companies like Vocard, and his PRO was very strong and he had very good relations up in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Mr. Sanjeev Singhal and Mr. Satish Singhal, they had pharmacy, they have a pharmacy background and they were already into pharma production business.
Zen Labs began its business with a small unit at Baddi in Himachal Pradesh. Initially, the company was operating as a third-party manufacturer for some of the most established brands in the industry. Later on, they went on to launch their own products in the market, and currently the company has more than 700 products under its own brand name.
Initially, we have started with third-party manufacturing, but we are doing that since 6 years, but last 3 years we are also doing our own brands. That also we are doing very good. We are doing 700 products in our own brands and around 300 products in third party.
Mainly हमारे पास 5 companies है, जिसमें सबसे मेजर हमारा वोखार्ड है, उसके बाद इंटास है, एल्केम है, खंडेलवाल है, मेडले है.
Today, Zen Labs is one of the fastest growing pharma companies in India with a dedicated workforce of 1,200 people. It has become an umbrella of 7 companies with 5 ultra-modern manufacturing units that are ISO and WHO GMP certified. These facilities produce more than 700 products across all segments. As a result, the group turnover crossed 200 crore rupees last year.
हमने अपनी पूरी इंडस्ट्री को एज पर शेड्यूल एम कंप्लाई करवाया सबसे पहले. शेड्यूल एम कंप्लाई होने के बाद देन वी गो फॉर द WHO कंप्लाइंस. वो WHO कंप्लाइंस के सर्टिफिकेशन हमने ली.
The group का turnover, as I told you, in the last financial year we did approximately 200 crores and we are one of the fastest growing companies in our own segment, and we plan to grow at the rate of at least 20 to 25%.
Zen Labs is one of the few companies in the region that offer a complete range of quality therapeutic medicines at reasonably low prices. Perhaps this is the reason that the company has become a household name in the rural market.
Since we have got our own manufacturing units, I've told you we've got 5 manufacturing units and we are covering all the therapeutic segments. We are one of the very few companies in Himachal Pradesh or Uttaranchal who has manufacturing facilities of all segments. We are doing very well in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, in Bihar, and then the states of Rajasthan, Odisha, West Bengal. All these states, as you know, they have a very high rural population. So we have strengthened our network over there, and by God's grace, we've got a very good response.
With an eye on achieving a 1,000 crore rupee turnover in the next few years, Zen Labs is now all set to stretch its wings beyond the Indian market. The company is also planning to enter bulk drug manufacturing with the same philosophy that it was incepted: high quality and low price.
We've started with exports also. We are exporting to countries like Philippines, Afghanistan, Iran. It is just a very humble beginning. We are working on it. We are building a team on that. And the next part will be, after we are well established in the formulation business, our next aim will be to enter the bulk drug segment.
When four dynamic forces channelize their energies in one direction, it leads to a successful journey like that of Zen Labs. Its men and machines, its innovation and research stand as a promise